Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today in our chapter number 6, the junk seller, we will see page number 67 of your textbook. On the page number 67 of your textbook, a new topic is given and the topic name is Fill My Diary. What is the name of the topic? Fill My Diary, right? What you have to do? Fill my diary. Now see, here one question is given in that fill my diary. So this is given on the in the textbook and I have written on the blackboard. So let's read with me. What is written? Kiran bought some junk from the junk collector, right? जो जंक कलेक्टर है, जैसे हमारे जैसे जो जंक्स बेचते हैं उनके पास से उसने थोड़ा सा जंक कलेक्ट किया. किसने? किरण ने, राइट? She paid, और यू कैन से जो छोटे छोटे जंक कलेक्टर. नाउ किरण हैज़ हर ओन शॉप. अब उसके पास में उसकी खुद की शॉप हो गई है. तो जो छोटे छोटे रिक्शा वाले जो आपके घर के सामने जो आते हैं ना जंक कलेक्ट करने के लिए, जंक सेलर, उनके पास से 3-4 लोगों के पास ने उससे कलेक्ट किया किरण ने. एंड फॉर दैट शी पेड ₹841. टू हूम? टू दैट जंक सेलर. वो जो छोटे छोटे जो जंक सेलर थे उनको किरण ने 841 रुपीज़ पेड किए फॉर द जंक. Then after that what Kiran has done? Kiran means Kiran sold the junk at Dino's big shop. अब दीनों की शॉप किरण के शॉप से भी बड़ी थी. So किरण ने क्या किया? उसे बेच दिया. किसको बेच दिया? To Dino big shop. And Dino gave her these notes and coin. और दीनू ने उसको क्या किया? ये notes और coins दिए हैं. और what we have to do? As I told you previous also, in this lesson we have to see about the money. So this is the money. Exchange of the money. कैसे हुआ exchange of the money? जंक सेलर किरण ने छोटे जो जंक सेलर थे उनको पैसे दिए, फिर दीनू ने किरण को पैसे दिए. सो दिस इज द एक्सचेंज ऑफ द मनी. और वो जंक सेलर किसको पैसे देते हैं? हम लोगों को पैसे देते हैं फॉर द थिंग्स. सो दिस इज अबाउट द मनी एक्सचेंज एंड मनी. सो दीनू हैज़ गिवन दिस मैनी नोट्स. He has given 6 notes of ₹100. उसने 6 नोट दी ₹100 की. To whom? To Kiran. Who has given? Dino has given. Dino has given 3 notes of ₹50 to the Kiran, 8 notes of ₹5 to the Kiran, 7 notes of ₹20 to the Kiran, 4 coins of ₹1 he has given to the Kiran, and 6 notes of ₹10. Right? इतने पैसे उसने दिए. What is our what we have to do? हमको क्या करना है? So we have to count this notes, number of notes, and we have to make the list how much she earned. So here written Kiran wrote the record in her diary, and this record she has written in her diary. So the name is given Fill My Diary, right? ये सारी चीज़ें उसने क्या किया? उसके डायरी में लिखा. Who has done? Kiran has done in her diary. And after that she come to know how much she earned. उसको कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ ये उसको उस पर से पता चलता है. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so money I got. Who has written this? Kiran ने लिखा है. This is the diary page of the Kiran, and she has written the date. On which date? 11th March 2007. Kiran has written. So let's find out what she has written. सबसे पहले उसने लिखा है money I got. So first of all it is given there. See in the textbook of page number 67. Children, keep the notebook page open. Textbook page open. 67. What is written? 6 notes of 100. So 6 notes of 100. Dino has given 6 notes of 100 to her. After that he has given 3 notes of 50. उसने 50 की कितनी नोट्स दी उसको? 3 नोट्स दी. Then he has given 8 notes of ₹5. He has given 8 notes of ₹5 to the Kiran. After that 6 notes of ₹10. 10 rupees की 6 notes दी. And 7 notes of ₹20, right? And he has given coin also. How many coin he has given? He has given 4 coins of ₹1. So we will write 4 coins of ₹1, right? So यहाँ कैसे पता चलेगा आपको कि इस पर से कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितने रुपीस दिए? So what we have to do? second note of 50 and third note of 50. The 50 is repeated how many times? 3 times 50 repeated. So when we do in this way, we will get how much she will got. So let's do this one. So here what will we write? 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 100, right? For 3, so 3 notes of 50. Then here what is written? 8 notes of 5. So 8 notes of rupees 5. 6 notes of rupees 10. So 6 notes of rupees 10. Then 7 notes of rupees 20. So 7 notes of rupees 20. And here 4 coins of 1. So this is the coin 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. He has given 4 coins of rupees 1. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. 4 times rupees 1 he has given. Now what to do? अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Now we will just find out the product, right? So 600s are, here we have to write rupees 600, right? Here you have to write properly. ठीक से आपको एक के नीचे एक लिखना है. Again rupees 5, this 0 as it is. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. In this way, one after another you have to write. एक के नीचे एक आना चाहिए. Okay. Then here rupees 5 multiplied by 8. That is 5 8s are rupees 40. So 40 where to write? कहाँ लिखोगे 40? In this way will you write 40? No, you can't write in this way 40. The 0 should become below 0 and 4 will be here. In this way properly you have to write. After that this rupees 6 times are 60. Again properly 0 के नीचे 0, below 4, 6 should be there. Then this one 0, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 140 rupees. So write it properly. And 4 ones are 4. So rupees 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add all this number. जब आप उसको add करोगे तभी तो आपको पता चलेगा ना how much she has got. So when we are doing total rupees, so just 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, that is 4. Do not forget to put the sign of addition over here. Then 5 plus 6 plus 4, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So 9 and 1 carry over on the head of the 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 8 and plus 9. So 994 rupees. Who has given? Dinu has given to Kiran, right? Dinu ने किसको दिए? किरण को दिए. Now question is there. ये क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है कि किरण को कितने पैसे ज़्यादा मिले. So what we have to do? The difference we want. Here we have not completed, right? 994 Dinu has paid to Kiran. But what Kiran say? I on. Kiran say I on. I यानी मैंने क्या कमाया? तो कैसे पता चलेगा मैंने क्या कमाया? She has given how much rupees to the that junk seller. और उसने junk seller को कितने रुपीस दिए थे? So she has given 841 rupees to the junk seller, right? और उसने बाद में 841 रुपीस की जो चीज़ें थी उसको किसके बेची? दीनू को बेची. And Dinu has paid rupees 994 to her, to Kiran, right? So from here we have to find out the difference. और difference कैसे निकालेंगे? Whatever the Dinu has given means the selling price minus the real price. Okay, in this way we will take out. So 4 minus 1, that is 3, and 9 minus 4, that is 5, and 1, and rupees here. So at last she earned 153 rupees, यानी उसको 153 rupees का क्या हुआ? उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ आफ्टर सेलिंग द थिंग्स. ओके, चीज़ें बेचने के बाद में she earned rupees 153, यानी उसको she has got rupees 153 more. What we can say? She has got rupees 153 more. Now see children, here on the page number very first one question is given. That one you have to do by yourself, right? And we have seen this page. Same here, the second example is given backside. So on the page number 68, so the page number 68 is homework for you. This one you have to do by yourself. Same जैसा वहाँ पे हमने पहले किया, same you have to do. Add all the number of the notes. Whatever you get, that one you have to find out the difference, right? Selling price minus the real price, and you will get the difference. So here you have to write. So this page number 6868 is homework for you. Okay.